It's actually transforming the stadium.
The project to renovate and upgrade Toyota Stadium reaches a milestone.
So we're excited about the work and the investment. It has, been a big part of transforming Frisco into Sports City, USA.
Toyota Stadium opened in 2005, and now, more than 20 years later, it's undergoing a massive overhaul.
These projects for councils and great partners like Hunt Sports Group, they start as an idea and as a dream. And from our perspective, they start out as these beautiful renderings. But then it takes the people in this room to actually bring it to life.
A ceremonial topping out event provided the opportunity to thank all those who've been working on the project while updating its progress. Workers and city leaders also signed a beam to mark the occasion.
Today is truly about y'all who made this moment true. The men and women on the job site have worked tirelessly to bring the structure to life.
The $182 million renovation will create shaded seating, 3,400 more seats, plus upgrades to suites and club-level seats. The concourse will also be overhauled, and the largest video board at any MLS soccer-specific stadium will welcome fans.
For many of us, this is the first time we've gotten to see all of your work up close and personal. We've seen the cranes in the air and things happening, but it's really, really incredible.
Construction on the east side of the stadium is about halfway complete. Work on the west and north sides will begin in the coming months.
The work that you're doing each and every day is going to serve this community and FC Dallas fans for the next 30 years plus.
This public-private partnership between the City of Frisco, the Hunt family, along with the Frisco Community Development Corporation and the Frisco Independent School District, made the stadium renovation possible. The full renovation is expected to be complete by early 2028.
I know we have a lot of work to do for a couple of more years, but to see the progress and the vision come to life, we're really excited.